Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today lesson is gonna be very interesting. Don't skip any things, otherwise you are gonna miss something very essential. So stay with us at the end of the video. Let's start it. Today we are gonna learn "if I were you" in Chinese. These are essential phrases which we heard in our normal daily life. Today we are gonna learn how to say it in Chinese.
要是我是你，要是我是你，要是我是你。
If I were you, let's practice it again.
要是我是你，
It's gonna be fun to learn it. Stay with us. Let's understand its structure. The whole process of how to use it and when to use it.
要是如果
If. We can use both vocabulary, cause both are used for if. Plus,
我是你，
I were you. Plus,
就
plus, action. This is conditional sentences used to give advice or express what you would do in someone else's situation.
我是你，
It's an easy and natural way to give advice. Light bulb. You can also replace wo and ni with other people to fit the situation. Last three characters is written separately because it can be replaced with other people. It means, if I were you, but you can change it to, he were you, I were him, etc. depending on situation.
要是
Plus subject.
是
Plus, another subject. Hope you find it easy and learned it too. Let's watch examples to understand it more closely.
要是我是你，我就不这么做了。
If I were you, I wouldn't do that. So these are our phrases which we are trying to learning. Hope you find it easy and learned it too. Let's watch another example too.
要是我是他，我早就走了。
If I were him, I would have left a long time ago. So these are our phrases which we are learning. So how was it, easy or hard? Let me know in comments section. Did you find it helpful? Follow us on Instagram and YouTube. Learn Chinese with XYED.